Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a holiday makeup look. I know this is a little bit different from my normal videos where I'm usually talking about baby stuff. With that being said, I am definitely a better mom than a makeup artist, I will say. I am in no way professional or anything like that. I just find it kind of fun every once in a while to get a little bit more done up, especially for certain events around the holiday season. So I wanted to keep today's makeup look a little bit more on the simple side. I wanted my eyeshadow to be kind of soft and sparkly and glowy, and then I want the main focus to be the lips because red just screams Christmas to me. I thought this would be really fun, especially with Christmas right around the corner. This is a great look for any holiday parties or events that you guys will be going to. So starting off with my face, I am using the Tarte Amazonian Clay Foundation in the shade Light Sand. And then for my concealer, I am using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Light Sand as well. This is my favorite concealer. Does such a good job of hiding my dark circles, which I have a lot of now that I am a mom. I also like to use my concealer as a base for my eyeshadow as well, so I'm just going to blend that. And then for my eyebrows, I just use this e.l.f. eyebrow kit. I start off with the gel side and kind of shape my eyebrows, and then I switch over to the powder side, and I will apply that with my angled brush. And then once I do that, I just like to brush them out so they look a little bit more natural. And then for my eyeshadow, I'm using the Tartelette Toasted palette. This is one of my favorite palettes, and I'm just going to be starting off with the shade Candle, which is a really pretty shimmery champagne color. And I just like to pack that nicely onto the lid. And next I'm going to be taking the shade Warmth, which is a pretty burnt orange color, and I'm just going to be focusing that color on the outer edge and the crease. And I'm going to be taking the shade Sunrise and just using that on the top to kind of blend everything together right underneath the brow. Now I'm going to be taking the shade Flame and I'm going to be putting that in my crease to make the look pop a little bit more. And then I'm just going to blend everything together again. Now I'm going to fast forward to my other eye being done. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking this Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is just like a translucent color. I'm just going to lightly press that all over my face. Then I'm going to be taking the Becca Be a Light palette, and I'm going to be using the bronzer from that to contour my face. This palette is no longer available, but I still am using it. And when I contour my face, I mainly just focus on my cheekbones, the temples, and then my jawline. And for blush, I'm going to be taking the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Party. This is the perfect shade. It's not too pink. And then I'm going to be going back into that Becca palette, and I'm going to be using the highlighter to highlight the tops of my cheekbones and the bridge of my nose. And to start off my lashes, I am first going to curl them with this eyelash curler from Tarte, which is so cute. And the mascara that I'm going to be using is the Lights Camera Lashes from Tarte as well. I love this mascara, especially the brush. It does a really good job of defining your lashes without clumping them. For my actual lashes that I'm going to be applying, these are the magnetic ones from Ardell. These can be kind of tricky when you're first trying to apply them. I definitely struggle trying to do them with the camera, but you're basically just going to take one part of it, lay it on top of your lashes, and then take the other one and put it underneath and try to clip the magnets together basically. And then for brows, I'm using the Busy Gal brows from Tarte in medium brown. I just like to use this to kind of define the hairs a little bit more. Then for lips, I'm going to be finishing it off with the Tarteist lip paint in the shade Extra. This was actually my first time trying this and I was in love with it. It is so pigmented and it also kind of dries a little bit matte, so it stays on so well. So if you're going to be going to any holiday parties and sipping drinks, this one is definitely going to stay on your lips. Okay, so this is the final look. So as you can see, it is definitely nice and glowy. I definitely like my skin to look really like dewy and glowy and not like I'm wearing a ton of face makeup. And then the eyeshadow is really soft and sparkly, not too much going on with the eyes because the main focus of this look is the lips. This was my first time trying out this Tarte lipstick and I am obsessed. I have it in a different color, but I have not tried this red one and it is the perfect red color for Christmas time. So if you like this type of video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I know I don't really do a lot of these types of videos, but I definitely want to start implementing more like makeup and style videos alongside with all my baby videos as well. And then comment down below any fun holiday plans that you guys have. This is going to be our first Christmas with our baby, so I am just so excited to literally do anything and everything with her. Thanks so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!